Pro-life groups are ready to pounce. When tonight's Supreme Court suspense ends, the campaign to win over senators begins. Correspondent Jason Calvi tells us the president's choice better be ready for a battle. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. Republicans have just enough of their own senators to confirm this nominee, but two of those Republicans are supporters of abortion, so this topic could be key to a confirmation.
I think the path to confirmation for any of these final four is not a problem.
But that path in the Senate will be bumpy.
I fully expect Democrats in Congress to light their hair on fire.
So much on the line, retiring Justice Anthony Kennedy was the key swing vote on marriage and abortion. And the president promised in 2016 to appoint pro-life judges.
Thank you so much.
Considering the ample evidence that President Trump will only select a nominee who will vote to overturn Roe v. Wade, the next nominee has an obligation, a serious and solemn obligation, to share their personal views on these legal issues.
Pro-life groups say they're looking forward to that abortion decision being reversed.
I think the president will choose wisely, somebody that's committed to the Constitution and the rule of law, and I expect somebody that could see right through the decision of Roe versus Wade and understand that there's no foundation to it from a constitutional perspective.
Still, conservative groups worked behind the scenes to influence the president's decision.
Outside organizations and as well as I'm sure senators are weighing in with the White House, weighing in with the president and saying here's why we think this person is better than that person.
There is a lot of lobbying going on behind the scenes of White House officials. Furious is the word I would use. Not angry, but there's a lot of energy.
As soon as the president names his pick, pro-life groups will be working with their supporters across the country to make sure this person is confirmed. They're planning press conferences tomorrow in states where Democratic senators are up for re-election, in states that President Trump won. That includes North Dakota, Indiana, and West Virginia. Now, the conservative Judicial Crisis Network is launching a $1.4 million ad campaign. They're targeting these vulnerable Democrats. But liberal group Demand Justice is trying to drum up support against the nominee to make it safe for those Democrats to vote no. Lauren?
Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi. Thank you, Jason.